Welcome back. As the temperatures rise, let's escape the heat and cool down together as we dive into some fascinating facts about glaciers.
Vatnajökull Glacier, Iceland. Vatnajökull, Europe's largest glacier by volume, blankets about 8% of Iceland. Beneath its icy expanse lie some of the island's most active volcanoes, including Grímsvötn, creating a dramatic interplay of fire and ice. The glacier's ice caves, formed by meltwater, are an otherworldly attraction, drawing adventurers from around the globe.
Perito Moreno Glacier, Argentina. Unlike most glaciers, Perito Moreno defies the global trend of retreat and remains stable. It's famous for its awe-inspiring ice-carving events, where massive chunks of ice crash into the turquoise waters of Lake Argentino, creating thunderous roars and captivating tourists with nature's raw power. Hubbard Glacier, Alaska, USA. Hubbard Glacier, North America's longest tidewater glacier, is one of the few glaciers advancing rather than retreating. Its sheer size often blocks off Russell Fjord, creating a temporary ice dam and causing the water levels to rise dramatically, a phenomenon that has fascinated scientists and visitors alike.
Mer de Glace, France. The Mer de Glace, meaning Sea of Ice, is the longest glacier in France and a key symbol of the Mont Blanc Massif. Once a bustling tourist spot in the 19th century, this glacier now offers a stark visual of climate change as it steadily recedes, revealing the Earth's changing landscape. Jökulsárlón Glacier Lagoon, Iceland. Located on the edge of Vatnajökull National Park in southeastern Iceland, is a stunning natural wonder formed by the retreat of the Breiðamerkurjökull Glacier, an outlet of the massive Vatnajökull ice cap. The lagoon, which began forming around 1934-1935 due to climate change, has expanded rapidly, now covering approximately 18 square kilometers and reaching a depth of about 248 meters, making it Iceland's deepest lake. The lagoon is famous for its large blue icebergs that calve from the glacier and often drift out to the nearby Atlantic Ocean. The lagoon's cinematic beauty has made it a popular filming location, featuring in movies like A View to a Kill, Die Another Day, Lara Croft, Tomb Raider, and Batman Begins. Kilimanjaro Glaciers, Tanzania. The glaciers atop Mount Kilimanjaro are disappearing at an alarming rate, estimated to be around 11,700 years old. These ice fields are shrinking rapidly, offering a sobering glimpse into the effects of global warming and raising concerns about the future of this iconic African peak. Siachen Glacier, India, Pakistan. At the heart of one of the most disputed borders in the world, Siachen Glacier is not just a natural wonder, but also the highest battleground on Earth. This 76-kilometer-long glacier has seen extreme conditions where soldiers from both India and Pakistan endure freezing temperatures in the world's coldest conflict. Fox and Franz Josef Glaciers. New Zealand. These unique glaciers descend from the southern Alps to less than 300 meters above sea level, moving through lush, temperate rainforests. The contrast between the icy landscape and the green surroundings is stunning, offering one of the most accessible and dramatic glacier experiences in the world. Athabasca Glacier, Canada. The Athabasca Glacier, one of the most visited in North America, is retreating at an astonishing pace, losing nearly 5 meters in length each year. Its accessibility allows millions of visitors to witness the tangible effects of climate change firsthand, making it a key site for environmental education. Jostedalsbreen Glacier, Norway. Jostedalsbreen, the largest glacier in mainland Europe, is a stunning landscape of ice with over 50 glacier arms extending from its main ice cap. Each arm has its own character, making this glacier a diverse and dynamic wonder that's deeply woven into Norway's natural heritage. Tasman Glacier, New Zealand. The Tasman Glacier, New Zealand's longest, is rapidly shrinking, giving rise to a large terminal lake filled with icebergs. This dramatic transformation is a testament to the rapid pace of environmental change, offering both a scenic and sobering view of nature's fragility. Columbia Glacier, Alaska, USA. Columbia Glacier is among the fastest changing glaciers globally, having retreated over 20 kilometers since the 1980s. This rapid movement has become a focal point for studying the impacts of climate change, with its constantly shifting icebergs painting an ever-changing seascape. Furtwängler Glacier, Tanzania. Perched near the summit of Mount Kilimanjaro, Furtwängler Glacier is a fragile remnant of the once vast ice cap that crowned Africa's highest peak. As this glacier continues to shrink, it stands as a poignant symbol of the effects of global warming, with its disappearance predicted within a few decades. Biafo Glacier, Pakistan. Biafo Glacier, part of the world-renowned Karakoram Range, links with the Hisbar Glacier to form a massive 100-kilometer-long glacial system, the longest outside the polar regions. This remote and rugged glacier system offers an unparalleled trekking experience, with breathtaking views of untouched wilderness. Pasteurs Glacier, Austria. Pasteurs Glacier, Austria's longest and most iconic glacier, is rapidly losing its length, retreating significantly over the past century. Situated in the shadow of the Grossglockner, Austria's highest mountain, it remains a popular destination, though its retreat tells a powerful story of climate change. Baltoro Glacier, Pakistan. Baltoro Glacier, one of the longest glaciers outside the polar regions, stretches over 60 kilometers through the Karakoram Range. Surrounded by some of the world's highest peaks, including the formidable K2, this glacier is a gateway to some of the most challenging and breathtaking climbs on Earth. Iki Glacier, Greenland. Known for its dramatic calving events, where massive chunks of ice break off and crash into the water, Iki Glacier offers a front-row seat to the raw power of nature. This glacier is one of the most active in Greenland, with icebergs constantly forming and floating away, creating a stunning icy landscape. What makes Iki particularly fascinating is its accessibility. Unlike many remote glaciers, visitors can get surprisingly close, often from the comfort of a boat, and witness the glacier's dynamic changes up close. Aletsch Glacier, Swiss Alps. Stretching over 23 kilometers, 14 miles, this icy giant holds more than 11 billion tons of ice, making it a critical water reservoir for the region. What makes the Aletsch Glacier particularly intriguing is its history and significance. It has been slowly carving its path through the mountains for thousands of years, shaping the landscape around it. The glacier is part of a UNESCO World Heritage Site, reflecting its global importance not just as a natural wonder, but as a key indicator of climate change. As the glacier continues to retreat at an alarming rate, it serves as a powerful reminder of the delicate balance of our environment. Despite its grandeur, there's an undercurrent of urgency to see the Aletsch Glacier, as it faces an uncertain future in a warming world.